Welcome to our weekly deep dive into aviation incident investigation. This week we're focusing on ramp accidents. We will begin with understanding what ramp accidents are, followed by their significance, the aviation industry, concluding with the importance of and investigating ramp accidents. Presented by AM Risk and Training, we hope to cultivate a better comprehension of aviation safety and how each one of us can make air travel more secure. Now let's delve into the causes of ramp accidents. The causes of ramp accidents are diverse and often complex. Have you ever pondered over the hazards lurking at airport ramps? As you recline at ease within the cabin on the cusp of airborne journey, an array of operations unfold on the ramp. It vibrates with life, teeming with ground personnel, machinery and vehicles, all working in synchrony to ensure your safe and punctual departure. However, this beehive of hustling can also set the stage for mishaps, commonly known as ramp accidents. Let's delve into the intricacies of these accidents. Firstly, human error, which may stem from miscommunication, lack of training or complacency, can lead to unexpected incidents. Secondly, equipment failures such as faulty ground handling apparatus or aircraft malfunctions also contribute to these accidents. Lastly, environmental conditions such as poor lighting, adverse weather, and ramp can further complicate the scenario. Understanding these causes is the first step in preventing future ramp accidents. Every passenger's safety lies in the recognition of these factors and proactive measures to mitigate them. The investigation of a ramp accident is a critical process for learning and prevention. Ramp accidents can occur due to myriad factors such as human error, mechanical failure, adverse weather conditions, or communication breakdowns. For example, a ground crew member might unintentionally damage an aircraft while towing it, or a fuel truck could collide with a baggage cart due to poor visibility in bad weather. Although these incidents may appear minor, they can significantly impact aviation safety. In the immediate aftermath of a ramp accident, the scene is secured, evidence is documented, and witnesses are interviewed. The investigation process then begins with the analysis of the evidence, identification of contributing factors, and determination of the cause of the accident. In the long-term aftermath, the findings are shared with the aviation community. Corrective actions are implemented based on these findings, and the effectiveness of these actions is subsequently monitored. In conclusion, the investigation of a ramp accident can lead to significant improvements in ramp safety, ultimately enhancing the overall safety of aviation operations. Let's look at some real-world examples of ramp accidents and their impact on aviation safety. At AM Risk and Training, our comprehensive training courses in aviation, incident and accident investigation not only provide you with a deep understanding of these incidents, but also highlight how can be prevented. In our first case study, we delve into an accident, investigate the findings, and discuss the safety improvements that were implemented in the aftermath. Our second case study follows a similar pattern, focusing on a different accident, its investigation findings, and the consequent safety improvements. Lastly, our third case study takes us through yet another accident, its investigation findings, and the safety improvements put into effect afterwards. These case studies demonstrate how ramp accidents can lead to significant safety improvements. They validate our commitment to equip you with the knowledge and skills to address these incidents effectively. In conclusion, ramp accidents, while often overlooked, play a significant role in aviation safety. We begin by exploring the causes and aftermath of various ramp accidents. A ramp accident's aftermath can often be a stepping towards significant advancements in aviation safety. Investigators take painstaking efforts to sift through the incident, dissecting every minute detail to comprehend the faults and ways to prevent them in the future. Next, we delve into the role of these investigations in preventing similar occurrences. Each finding from the investigation is disseminated amongst the broader aviation community, sparking changes in protocols, upgrades in equipment, and enriching training programs. Finally, we will examine how ramp accidents and their investigations shape the aviation safety landscape. By understanding these issues, we can all contribute to making aviation safer. See you next week for another deep dive into the world of aviation incident investigation. Ramp accidents, while not as dramatic as in-flight incidents, can still have a profound impact on aviation safety. They serve as a stark reminder of the need for vigilance, not just in the air but also on the ground. In conclusion, ramp accidents are an integral part of the broader realm of aviation safety. By understanding these incidents, we can contribute to making air travel even safer. Please like and subscribe to stay updated on our weekly deep dives into aviation incident investigation. Together we can make the skies and the ground even safer. Join us next week as we explore another fascinating aspect of aviation safety. Until then, remember, every incident, every accident is a lesson etched in history. They guide the evolution of aviation safety, continually striving for that elusive goal of perfect safety.